Hey, welcome back to Laser Focus Solution Media, folks. Christopher Godwin coming at you on an evening video. And tonight's video, I wanted to share with you the importance of a work-life balance. Um, it's wild because as I've been gearing up this business and everything that I've wanted to come true with building it and getting busier and all those things, it's been a hard balance. You grind a lot of off hours, a lot of things that go into this, are the untangible, unknown, unseen things, right? I'm down here in this office a lot. I'm following up, looking for pricing on material and all those things. And, tonight I got home from, it was a great day. It was a busy day. It was a grind of a day. Um, And one of those things where I'm looking down at my phone now because my son's texting me, asking me how you turn the lights out back on the patio because he wants to spend some time with me. So I think that's the point of this video is that work-life balance. I came home tired and was ready to just rest up and cooked a meal out on the barbecue grill. And then the family asked, um, girlfriend, kids, and my son asked, "Do you want to go for a walk?" And I'm like, "Absolutely, let's go." So, we went for a walk, um, around the block, and it was a nice long walk, just observing, enjoying this weather, taking it all in. I'm down here to do this due diligence because I've assigned to myself 90 days straight of doing content. And man, is it hard to come up with 90 days in a row of content. So this is a little bit of a reach, a little bit of a stretch, but I think there's value in sharing sometimes the personal side of things. And right now in tonight's video, we're talking about work-life balance. So I'm going to end this one a little bit short. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna continue to spend time with the family. I really enjoyed that walk. Did my workout a little bit earlier. So we're staying consistent and true with what we got to do. But at the same time, what's most important right now is that, again, my son is present. He wants to spend time with myself and the family. And we're going to go out on the deck and hang out and see what we can do. So I'm going to end on that. All right. So spend time with your loved ones. That's the moral of this video. Peace.